Here we are.
Warning for Montgomery County and Central North Carolina, Harnett County and Central North Carolina, Moore County and Central North Carolina, Chatham County in Central North Carolina, Stanley County in Central North Carolina, Scarborough County in Central North Carolina, Anson County in Central North Carolina, Lee County in Central North Carolina, Richmond County in Central North Carolina, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday at 1:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Emergency management officials reported widespread flash flooding across the Warren area. Many roads have been closed by flooding and downed trees. Rainfall thus far today has ranged up to 5 inches and an additional 3 inches are possible this afternoon. As such, ongoing flooding will worsen and spread to new areas as the afternoon progresses. Some locations that will experience flooding include Sanford, Laurinburg, Albemarle, Southern Pines, Rockingham, Waitsboro, Pittsboro, Wilmington, Troy, and Carthage. Do not venture out on the roads if at all possible for the remainder of the day. Excessive runoff from the heavy rain will cause flash flooding of creeks and streams, roads, low-lying and poor drainage areas. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where water covers the road. Many roads and intersections in the area will quickly flood. When encountering flooded roads, turn around, don't drown. This is the No Weather Radio.
Alright, guys.
WXL7 broadcasting from a tower on Spencer Mountain in North Carolina, operating on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. This transmitter is serving the Piedmont.
Alright. Guys, power's currently out. Currently at Hurricane Matthew. My mom said there was a power flash, or not a power flash, transformer that blew. And it's been raining since 8 o'clock this morning. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.